Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to complete a league training match in FC Mobile. First, open FC Mobile on your device. When you start the game, you'll be asked to enter your age for verification. Then choose a platform to sign in with, such as Google, or you can opt to play as a guest if you don't want to link an account. Once you sign in, it's time to select your home team. Pick a team you want to represent in the game. This choice often influences your league matchups and events. Next, enter a player name to personalize your profile. After that, you'll need to select your player for the training match. This step allows you to try out different players' roles and get familiar with controls. Now, start training match by following the instruction provided. This training session will guide you through gameplay basics like passing, shooting, and defending, which will prepare you for future matches. Complete each training task, and once you finish, you'll have successfully completed the league training match and be ready for regular games. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.